losing weight doesn't have to be a bore. Here are 12 delicious smoothies that are low in calories, high in nutrients, and can help you shed the pounds. 1. Apple Pie Smoothie. Apples are full of vitamins and fiber, which are both great and help with weight loss. Simply combine 1/2 red or pink apple, peeled and chopped, 1/4 frozen banana, 1/2 cup of skim milk, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil, 1 scoop of vanilla-based protein powder, water to blend, optional if you enjoy smoother, thinner smoothies, and then a sprinkle of cinnamon. 2. Summer Berry Smoothie. This one is absolutely dreamy and combines the sweetness of summer berries. Berries are wonderful for losing weight as they have very few calories. All you need is a 1/2 cup of either almond or skim milk, 1/8 cup blueberries, 1/8 cup of chopped strawberries, 1/8 cup of raspberries, 1 scoop of vanilla-based protein powder, and water to blend, optional if you enjoy smoother, thinner smoothies. 3. Green Power Smoothie. This smoothie has health benefits you can't imagine. Plus, these greens help boost your metabolism and make trimming fat a little easier. Combine 1/3 cup of parsley, 1/3 cup kale, 1/3 cup green apples peeled and chopped, 1/2 cup of skim milk, a sprinkle of ginger, and a squeeze of lemon juice. 4. Orange Cream Smoothie. This one tastes like heavenly summer. It's low in fat and calories but full of probiotics, which can help with weight loss and good health. All you need is 1 peeled orange, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, and 1/2 cup of ice. 5. Tropical Chia Smoothie. This one is full of good, healthy stuff, and it's low in calories. All you need for this one is 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup of yogurt, any kind will do, coconut is best though, and a squeeze of lime juice. Delish! 6. Banana and almond butter. This one is sweet, savory, and absolutely delicious. It has great protein, lots of vitamins, and tastes like an awesome day. You'll need 1 cup of almond milk, 1 banana chilled or frozen, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 large handful of ice, and a teaspoon of honey. 7. Green Tea Smoothie. This one is refreshing and earthy. It's packed full of antioxidants and vibrant flavors. All you'll need is 1 cup of chilled green tea, 1/2 frozen banana, 1/8 cup of avocado, 1 scoop of vanilla-based protein powder, and a splash of water to blend. Number 8. Dark Chocolate Banana. This one will make your head spin because you'll never believe that it's diet. The dark chocolate accelerates the release of butyrate, which slows down fat cells. All you'll need is a 1/2 of a banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1/8 cup of chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon of dark chocolate pieces, 1/3 cup of chocolate-based protein powder, and a few ice cubes. 6. Citrus and Ginger Smoothie. This one is my favorite. The citrus is full of vitamin C and antioxidants, while the ginger helps aid digestion. For this one, you'll need 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 banana, 1 cube of peeled ginger root, and 2 cups of chopped oranges or grapefruit. 10. Pumpkin and Fig Smoothie. This one has tons of protein, so you'll feel full and energized, but it's low in calories. For this one, you'll need 1/2 banana frozen, 3 figs, 1/3 cup of canned pumpkin, not the kind for pie, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 cup for milk, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and 3 ice cubes. 11. Tropical Carrot Smoothie. This one has got a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which help digestion. It also has a lot of protein too. What you'll need is 1/2 cup of carrot juice, 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 1/2 cups of mango, 1 peeled kiwi, and 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. 12. Kiwi and Watermelon Smoothie. This one is so fruity. It's got a lot of vitamin C, antioxidants, and it's super low in calories. What you'll need for this one is 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a peeled kiwi, 1 cup of sliced watermelon, and a sprinkle of salt. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, healthfitnessplanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.